Laser therapy is built upon a solid foundation of more than 30 years of European research and development and is recognized as a safe and effective treatment modality with a proven track record for a wide variety of conditions. The advanced technology of Class 4 laser therapy from K-Laser USA can help relieve your pain without the use of drugs or surgery and without harmful side effects. Early therapy lasers were too weak to effectively treat deep conditions and large joints. K-Laser treatments achieve faster and more effective results than other modalities.
I've been using a laser in my office since 2004 when it was FDA cleared to use a laser, and I've been using it on my patients ever since. There are certain things that I have introduced into my practice over the last 12 years, and this is actually a game changer.
In the early 20th century, Albert Einstein developed the theory of lasers, and the first laser was invented in 1960. Soon after, scientists discovered that therapeutic doses of laser light could stimulate the body's healing processes. Over 2,000 scientific and medical research papers have been published on the beneficial effects of laser therapy, accelerated injury healing, and pain relief. Extensive clinical experience demonstrates that laser therapy delivers pain relief and enhanced injury healing.
Patients are getting better faster, and they are referring people to my office for this laser specifically. This is a tool that I can use that feels good, that's safe, effective, and they'll come back.
The Class 4 K-Laser penetrates deeper to give faster treatments with a greater number of applications. This translates into positive physiological outcomes that include advanced pain relief, accelerated healing, increased cellular energy levels, improved range of motion and function, reduction of inflammation, and more. During each painless treatment, the infrared laser light interacts with tissues at the cellular level. Higher levels of ATP are produced, which then increases metabolic activity within the cell, improves the transport of nutrients across the cell membrane, and initiates the release of nitric oxide. These events lead to a cascade of beneficial effects, increasing cellular function and health. This creates an optimal healing environment that reduces inflammation, swelling, muscle spasms, stiffness, and pain. As the injured area returns to normal, function is restored and pain is relieved.
We use the K-Laser both on acute and chronic conditions. We've used it for bruises, we've used it on tendinitis, bursitis, especially after a contusion. We ice and then laser, and they seem to be responding a lot quicker. I think we've gotten more rapid response and rapid recovery, guys coming back quicker.
The wavelengths employed by the K-Laser are fine-tuned to deliver the most effective treatments. Therapeutic photons penetrate deep into the body, stimulating blood flow and increasing the amount of oxygen available for the cells. The laser light is absorbed by the cells, stimulating the rate of oxygen delivery to the metabolic pathway, which increases cellular energy. The K-Laser was the first Class 4 therapy laser to employ dual infrared wavelengths simultaneously. These dual wavelengths are more efficient, healing the tissue while also aiding in pain relief.
The K-Laser was very easy. The doctor just ran it across the area that hurt, and it felt a little warm and nice. It was fine. The K-Laser really helps. It lets me run, it lets me walk more.
K-Laser is easy on your body. There's a bit of a warm sensation. It's very comfortable, it's quick, so you're in and out, not particularly time consuming, and definitely saw the benefits after 3 or 4 sessions.
The K-Laser also delivers therapeutic laser energy in continuous wave, modulated, and intense superpulsed modes. Combined with the adjustable power output, this gives your K-Laser clinician the most advanced Class 4 laser technology, meaning effective treatments for a wide variety of injuries and pain. Doctors and clinicians utilizing laser therapy have recognized the need for higher power, giving higher dosages at treatment depths and shorter treatment times. K-Laser equipment has continued to evolve and become a standard of care in hundreds of clinics across the United States as an effective alternative to surgical procedures that does not require the use of drugs or have any known side effects. Laser therapy was born from scientific research over 30 years ago in Europe, and with the latest technological advancements, perfected by K-Laser USA.
Laser therapy was born from scientific research over 30 years ago in Europe. Today, the advanced technology of Class 4 deep tissue laser therapy is an effective alternative to surgical procedures, does not require the use of drugs, or have any known side effects. Studies have proven that Class 4 laser therapy achieves faster and more effective results than the treatment from other modalities. Albert Einstein, who brought us the theory of relativity, first proposed a process that makes lasers possible. By the mid-1960s, scientists discovered that lasers could be used to accelerate how fast the body heals after surgery. Since that time, there have been over 2,500 published medical research papers on the subject of laser therapy, accelerated injury healing, and pain relief. The Class 4 laser provides a deeper penetration that allows for faster treatments with a variety of options and a greater number of applications. This translates into positive physiological outcomes that include advanced pain relief, accelerated healing, increased cellular energy levels, improved range of motion and function, reduction of inflammation, and more. During laser therapy, the infrared laser light interacts with tissues at the cellular level. Higher levels of ATP are produced, which then increases metabolic activity within the cell, improves the transport of nutrients across the cell membrane, and initiates the release of nitric oxide. These events lead to a cascade of beneficial effects, increasing cellular function and health. During each painless treatment, laser energy increases circulation, drawing water, oxygen, and nutrients to the damaged area. This creates an optimal healing environment that reduces inflammation, swelling, muscle spasms, stiffness, and pain. As the injured area returns to normal, function is restored and pain is relieved. The wavelength of light transmitted may be scattered by one type of tissue and greatly absorbed by another. Depending on its components, each type of tissue such as skin, blood vessels, sweat glands, pigment, and hair follicles has its own absorption characteristics. As the light is absorbed, photon energy is transformed into biochemical energy, increasing cellular activities. The laser's ability to biostimulate tissue growth and repair results in actually healing tissue. The Class 4 therapy laser wavelength is important because the wavelength must be appropriate for proper tissue penetration and proper treatment. The K-laser was the first to employ dual infrared wavelengths simultaneously of 790 nanometers and 970 nanometers. These dual wavelengths are more efficient, healing the tissue while also aiding in pain relief. Combining the K-laser's dual frequencies of continuous wave and modulation provides the clinician with the most advanced laser technology. The power settings of the K-laser allow it to be used to treat a variety of injuries and pain, such as neck, shoulder, back, wrist, knee, foot and ankle, and lower extremities.
With the K-laser, yes, I'm healing fast. I like it. No discomfort, no pain whatsoever. And it does work.
The thing that's so impressive about the K-laser is how quickly it works. I mean, you can be literally walking in the office with the pain, right there at that moment, and you walk out basically pain-free. Clearly, I attributed the laser's ability to speed up the recovery process on that area as instrumental in making it possible for me to go back to work as early as I did.
As a head trainer in the National Football League, we have a number of challenges. We have 85 players during training camp. We have over 65 during the regular season. They all have injuries. We've got limited time to try to treat the athletes to get them back out on the field as quickly as we can. K-laser is effective at reducing muscle spasm, reducing pain, reducing swelling in any number of types of injuries, be it the typical muscle strains as well as sprains of joints. We've had players with stiff and sore necks that after a couple of treatments with the K-laser are markedly improved and are practicing without any restrictions whatsoever. We've had other players that have had chronic soreness in the low back that have found that really the only thing that gave them true relief on a consistent basis was the K-laser.
Laser therapy was born from scientific research over 30 years ago in Europe and perfected by K-Laser USA with the latest technological advancements today.